In this video I'm going to show you how to download the Snapchat app on your PC or laptop. So follow these easy steps and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Now for the first step we will need to open our Microsoft Store. So search for Microsoft Store and you will find it over here. Select it, and after you have opened this app, then you can search for the app Snapchat. Now once you have found one, then select it, and after that you can click on Get. Once you have clicked on Get, then this app will be downloaded on your PC or laptop. Now after you have installed it, then you can log into your account or create a new account to set it up, and you are able to use Snapchat on your PC or laptop. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!